Hi guys, here's an unboxing, but I forgot to press record, so here it is. But I haven't touched anything. So I got the DNM37, Yuxin Little Magic Square 1M, the Stackmat, and the MF2S. So here's the Stackmat Square 1. Replacement parts for my Galaxy 56X, the 2x2, and DNM37. So first, let's get onto the DNM37. So here's my Galaxy 54M. It's really fast. Yeah. Let's see what will DNM37 do. Okay, so I have to be as careful as I can. So so it says that 2 dropped. So yeah. Okay, has to be as careful as possible. This one. 2 drops. That's 2 drops. Now I'll break it in. Oh, it's already wet. Nice. And it already feels really fast. So nearly uncontrollable. Whoa, what happened there? What the? Whoa, it's so fast. Some updates on the Galaxy 54M. So I lived it with some DNM37 and it's really fast, like how it came out of the box. It's really good. Now onto the MF2S. Don't hate me, please. So it's the MF2S. It looks oh, the internals are much different than to the Yuxin 2x2. And good news, I have found the corner clip. It was just in my shelf. So the mechanisms are very different. The shades are too. It's the Yuxin 2x2 has a more fluoro yellow, and the blue's definitely more darker. The red is more a bit candyish on the MF2S, and the green is also a bit candyish, and the white is practically the same thing. Oh my god. Oh. This thing is loose, and this thing is scratchy and fast. So from what I can tell, it's really loose. But on this key, you have to do a lot of effort. So let's see corner cutting. Whoa. Just about line to line, about 44. And the Yuxin can't do that. Maybe because this is much looser. They're about the same tensions, but the corner cutting is much better on the MF2S. So I have the square one, here it is. So it bumps every 1/12th of a turn. So even if it's here, it still has that magnetic bump. So the U and D layers are of reasonable speed, and the slice layer is really fast. It's really effortless to turn. So I will be making a review about this, but not now. So I'll just try parody. Hopefully I don't choke. So yeah, it turns pretty well, and this is definitely usable for competition. So overall, I like it. Hi guys, I got the batteries for the timer, so let's open it and let's see the timer. Okay, let's see. That's a bit noisy. Let's do a solve and let's see how I go. Whoa, this feels nice. I should have a fully functional timer. Well, it won't work because you need both hands. So first I'll have to reset it, and then you got that.
A few moments later.
Let's try it now again. No, what? It didn't go. Now I'm gonna do a one-handed solve. I'm really, really bad at one-handed. Ooh, F palm. I'll just do J palm there. Boom! Wonderful time with the one-handed. Now let's do a normal solve. Whoa, some bad cross habits there. Nice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is the Yuxin Stackmat, the SQ-1, the MF2S, and the DNM37. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.